On July 30th, 2025 in East Peoria, Illinois, a woman allegedly ran a red light. Moments later, police lights flashed behind her. What happened next remains shrouded in mystery.
Parking lot. Go forward. Go forward. You went through that red light. That left turn arrow turned red before you even got close to that intersection.
No, it wasn't. It was yellow.
No, it was not. I have it on my camera. Driver's license and insurance, please. There are two cop cars sitting right there.
Okay, let me see it. I want to see it.
No, you can see it in court when you get your ticket. Your license is right there.
Why are you being so shitty?
I need your license.
You know what? Quit being shitty.
Hand me your license, or you're going to go to jail.
I don't know why. No, I can't go to jail.
Yes, you
for
can.
that.
You're not following a
what?
lawful command.
I am following.
Give me your license, or I'm going to rip you out of the car and put you in handcuffs.
Do you know I don't have to do that?
23, go ahead and start me one more car.
No.
Okay, get out of the car.
Yeah, well, you're going to be in trouble. I'm taping this.
Step out of the car.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not stepping out of the fucking car. I didn't do anything. You stepped out of the car. You
get out.
Oh, put your fucking arm.
Put your hand behind your back.
You know what?
This is your fault. You should have listened. Put your hands behind your back, because now you're going to jail. Put your hand behind your back.
Fucking bullshit. You just broke my shoulder, you asshole.
Well, stop resisting.
You know what? You're a dick. This is bullshit. I didn't do anything.
Give me your other arm.
To warrant this. I can't. You broke it. It's broke.
No, I did.
Yes, it is. It is. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding.
23, I have one in custody.
You gotta help me up.
Okay.
Not with that arm, please.
Okay. Put your knees to your stomach.
I will do it.
Put your knee to your stomach.
Oh, I can't. Hang on. Let me do it.
Okay. Well, you need to stand up.
Broke my fucking shoulder.
Okay, I will have medics come look at you. Stand up.
I can't. Let me get to my knees and do it. This is bullshit.
Well, maybe you should listen.
No, you don't have any right to
I
pull me out of a fucking car.
Yeah, I do. It's Pennsylvania v.
No,
Mims.
you fucking don't. And you're going to fucking pay for it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, you will. Stupid ass.
Yeah, I know.
And get my fucking license off the thing.
Yeah.
For going through a fucking yellow fucking light.
Yellow is red.
Asshole. Yeah, I want to see the fucking tape.
You will at court.
Fucking liar. Asshole. Fuck. You're a fucking asshole. Fuck.
Yeah, I know.
Pig. Epitome of a fucking pig. Fucking cunt. You're fucking bullshit, asshole. I'm gonna have your fucking job. You dick. Get your fucking piece of shit music off. Asshole. Fuck. You're a fuck. Yeah, you're in trouble, you piece of shit. Oh my god. Fucking bullshit! You fucker! Piece of shit! Yeah, you're in trouble, you pig! You're a fucking goddamn disgrace to your race. Fucking pulling people out of the fucking car like that, you idiot!
Well, get out.
You're a fucking fucking idiot. I don't have to get out. I didn't do nothing to warrant that. And you're gonna be the piece of shit that'll be in trouble. Fuck. Because you're having a bad fucking day all over your fucking face, asshole. Treat a fucking woman like that, you piece of shit. You shouldn't even have a fucking job.
Yeah.
You fucking suck. You're fucking disgrace.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, your mom would be so proud. Fuck. You're a fuck. Yeah, hey, come here. Come here, buddy. Come here, please. Come here. No, he had no right. No right. Hey, will you come here, please? Yeah, because there ain't shit in there.
I know.
Good thing I didn't have my fucking grandkid, you piece of shit.
Well, maybe you should learn to listen.
No, you fuck off. He's bullshit. Pulling me out of the fucking car like that.
Yeah.
Bullshit. You are a disgrace. Disgrace. Hope your mom is fucking proud of you.
She is.
Yeah, no, she wouldn't be seeing that bullshit. No, bullshit, you're wrong. I'm a fucking mom, and my kids don't fucking disrespect like that, you disrespectful.
Well, maybe you should learn to listen.
No, fuck you. You had an attitude right off the fucking bat for no reason.
Yup.
Yeah, yup.
Everything's everyone else's fault.
Yeah, no, this is your fault. I am not that fucking person, that's you, obviously. Using your fucking badge for this. Yeah, your fucking poor excuse. Fucking pull a woman out of a fucking car like that. I didn't even have to fucking get out of the car. You're bullshit.
It's Pennsylvania.
Bullshit. And I have every right to see the fucking tape.
Yeah, court.
Yeah, okay, why? Why do you get that fucking right? Yeah, why can't you show it if you're so fucking being for real? Why can't you just show it? Yeah, because you're not.
How tall are you?
None of your business.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. That's fucking right. Figured out you got my license. Look at my license, pal. No.
Okay.
Figure it out. What do you take my license for? To ask me that?
No, it's just gotta be up to date.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I fucking grew, didn't I?
Huh?
Yeah, I fucking grew, didn't I?
I don't know.
Asshole. You're gonna fucking pay for my shoulder too, jerk.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you do know. You got a lot to learn, little guy.
I know.
Obviously you don't.
Is this your updated address?
You're bullshit.
Is this your updated address?
Figure it out.
No.
That's your problem, not mine.
Okay, well, this is where the tickets are gonna go.
Okay. Women like that, you piece of shit. You're probably fucking goddamn woman beater. And you're the one that probably needs to be in fucking jail, you piece of shit. Because that is what you fucking are. Fucking asshole. Because I went through fucking yellow. That fucking arrow was yellow. You don't pull a goddamn woman out of a car. For a fucking traffic violation.
Just a regular ticket, right?
You fucking say whatever the fuck you want. All these cops acting like they're above the law. And you for one. Yeah, I'm not fucking drunk. I'm a goddamn grandma, idiot.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not the one who said you were drunk.
I didn't say you said I did.
Okay, well, yell at him. Don't yell at me.
I'm fucking yelling at you because you're the piece of shit.
I know. It's my fault you went through that light.
I didn't say it was your fucking fault, but it's your fault for the abuse. That's what's your fault. Fuck. Are you an idiot? You are. Because you don't know what fucking abuse is, and that's sad. And using your fucking badge for it is a disgrace. That did not warrant that. And trust me, I'm getting a lawyer, and you're fucking gonna go down. Fuck.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you won't be going to heaven, pal. You won't be going to heaven. You be going to hell.
Huh?
Yeah, listen to the song. Because I'll be going to heaven, you won't.
Okay.
You don't help people. You abuse your power. Pretty disgusting.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi,
What's your name?
Valerie.
Valerie? Okay, what's going on?
My shoulder and my hip.
Shoulder and hip?
Yeah.
Okay, can you describe the pain to me?
Well, my shoulder is feeling kind of numb right now, and it hurts really bad. And these handcuffs ain't helping it. He pulled me to the ground and landed on my shoulder. And
Which shoulder?
This left one.
That left one. If he takes those handcuffs off, are you going to be good?
Oh, I didn't do anything for him to do this. I wasn't abusive in any kind of way. He's abusive. He's abusive.
Okay,
turn and face that way.
If you're
He's
going to be
abusive.
calm, he'll take the handcuffs off.
I am calm.
Okay.
I didn't do anything to him. I can't even turn.
Valerie, you want to go to the hospital?
Yes.
All right.
It has to be looked at. I think it's broke. Oh. It might be out of place. Ow.
So you said it's this one, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to feel it really quick, okay?
I think it's out of place. It's down a little more right there.
Right here is where
Yeah.
it's hurting? Okay.
And then both of my hips
With
too.
your hips?
Yeah.
Will you be more comfortable if you swung your feet out if
I'm
you're
gonna
able
try.
to?
but
All right, go ahead.
I can't move my arm. My arm is hurting real bad. Wait a minute. Oh, I can't. Oh, and then I can't move my hip. Okay, hang
What can
on.
I do to help?
I don't know. Just let me try to do it, okay? Because it's bad. Oh, my arm. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Okay. It's like making it hard for me to get out because of my hips too.
Do you have any history of problems?
Look at my
with your hips or anything?
arm, how he had the handcuffs. I mean, come on. Oh, because I went through a red turn light that just turned red that I thought was yellow. Okay, hang on.
Need help with that leg?
I don't think so. Oh, that's hurting. That's hurting my arm. Oh,
Stay right there.
okay.
We've been out here for a few years. I was gone for 2.
I didn't realize that you guys came out all the way over here. I figured everyone just had their own fire department.
Well, generally, Florida's got some pretty courthouse.
Oh, really?
They were SWAT, so.
Yeah, I didn't know that. We swapped. We're going to Pekin. Yep, changed my mind. Thank you. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm not waiting here all night with you. So, all your copies of your paperwork, your citation, all that stuff's in here. I already notified you of both court dates. Make sure you go to them. If you don't, they'll issue a warrant for your arrest, okay?
In the aftermath, Valerie Klein faced charges of resisting and obstructing an officer and endured the pain of broken bones, spending days in the hospital. This incident serves as a powerful reminder of the consequences when the law is broken. As the community reflects and the investigation continues, we want to hear from you. If you found this video compelling, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your thoughts and feedback drive these investigations forward.